This is a superplanet that can instantly thrust Jupiter into a single. Can be called the bearer of the universe and planetary world. Guess how many times its size is the Earth? Saying it might scare you. Let's compare a few large planets in the solar system and you'll know. Among the planets in the solar system, Neptune has a diameter of 49,244 kilometers. About 58 times the size of the Earth. Saturn's diameter is about 120,000 kilometers. 750 times the size of the Earth. The largest of the 8 planets is Jupiter. More than 2,100 Earths are the size of Jupiter and the largest known planets in the universe. HD 100546b compared. Jupiter instantly becomes a little. 2015 European Southern Observatory Grand Telescope. 335 light-years away from the Earth. Captured this superplanet for the first time. Its size is breathtaking. To further confirm its size and physical properties, scientists point the Hubble telescope's lens at it. The observation data is even more amazing. The planet has a diameter of 986,580 kilometers. Just 7.05 times that of Jupiter. The volume soars directly to 250 times that of Jupiter. If converted, it can hold 450,000 Earths. If the entire Earth's population is distributed equally, everyone can have a place as big as a village. What's more magical is, it is larger than most stars in the sound system. Let's compare Billing Star, the closest to the Sun. Billy Star is a red dwarf. Its diameter is only 200,000 kilometers. Only 19% of it. If we compare the smallest star in the universe, superplanet HD 100546 is 300 times the size of a small star. But don't be fooled by this big guy. This guy is actually the ceiling of the fat world. 2022 AMMA Electric Telescope Observation Discovery. Its surface temperature is actually quite cracking. There are hot zones above 600 degrees Celsius. There are also cold zones with -200 degrees Celsius. Planets with such a large temperature difference are rare, although it's very huge. But the density is lower than that of Jupiter. Like a breathing pump by the universe. Superstar clear balloons that blow to the limit. Guess why it grows so big? That's because of the age of this giant eagle in the universe. Only 500 to 10 million years old. Still a small celestial body that is dissatisfied. Its parent star test quality. Blue supergiant 5 to 10 times the Sun. 2 layers of dust disks with spiral structures are wrapped around. HD 100546b. Just lie at a distance of 6.5 astronomical units from the home star. This position is almost the distance between Jupiter and the Sun. So in this area, it is always crazy about the gas and dust surrounding it. Still growing stronger. What is even more unexpected is astronomers in 47 astronomical units. Another one that is forming was also found. Exoplanet HD 100546c. Because it is too far from the mother star. Therefore, its surface temperature is as low as -46 degrees Celsius. In this magical place, maybe it will become a superplanet community in the future. It looks like a big guy. However, some researchers believe this guy may not be a pure star. It's a crossover player with a relatively vague identity. Latest data display. Its mass is 20 times that of Jupiter. Just in the awkward dividing line. Generally speaking, the upper limit of planets is below 13 times that of Jupiter. More than this number will trigger a knife and a drastic change. Upgrade to a failed star. That is what we call a dwarf. Logically speaking, it's so much heavier than ordinary gas giant stars. It should belong to the ranks of the horde of the dwarf. If it wants to be a real star. 60 more Jupiter mass needs to be increased. That is to say, it must have at least 7% of the mass of the Sun. Only by ignite the core's light change. HD 100546b is less than half the quality. Even if you eat all the dust around you. Hold on to death. Maybe not enough. It is likely that it can only be an official star for the rest of its life. Speaking of this, we have to talk about its growth intensiveness. Because it is formed, it does not follow the ordinary way. There are usually two scripts when gas giant stars are formed. Or like Jupiter. First, accumulate a solid core and then inhale the air. Either the gas disk directly shrinks into giant stars. HD 100546b is so big.